friends, so I'm going to be showing you a beginner's tutorial for plant care and how to take care of a purple heart plant, or also known as a wandering Jew. So I'm going to be making use of some disposable cups for this video and a scissors basically, and my purple heart plant. You can see that it's already growing so well, but we are going to be propagating it so that I can have more purple heart plants. So I'm just going to be cutting it off, guys, and it is important for you to note that when cutting, you want to cut the plant from the nodes. I will show you where the nodes is in a minute, because that is very important in propagation. So after we cut this plant, so I'm just going to show you guys where the nodes is. I'm still going to cut this bunch, is it bunch now, or the stem, and divide it because I want a lot of purple heart. So that is the nodes, and that's where our roots is going to be coming out from. Okay, so I'm just cutting. So these are our cuttings. I'm just going to be outlining them. Fun fact, so the background that you can see was painted by yours truly, an aspiring artist. Okay, so that being said, so I'm just going to put them. I just want you guys to see the cuttings and how easy it is to propagate a purple heart plant or any trailing plant you can find. So this is water in the disposable cups. You could recycle bottles, plastic bottles, or whatever medium that you have. So I'm just going to be putting our cuttings inside the water, okay, and you just leave it for about 40 days for it to bring out the roots. Then you transplant. It's simple, guys. There's nothing complicated about it. I'm just going to look for somewhere bright and put it in on my window sill so that it can get sunlight. So yeah, guys, that is how to propagate a wandering Jew plant or a purple heart plant. Okay, so I'm just going to leave you guys with some inspirational pictures on how you can decorate your space with a purple heart plant. So keep watching for that kind of content. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one. Tell me in the comment section, do you have a purple heart plant around you? Do you have a wandering Jew plant around you? And is it something that you would like to propagate? Bye.